Meeting recording has started.
Okay. Today we are going to discuss and present Avaya new Centrum Channel program, which will give you the value add applications program, new solutions, new programs coming from Avaya. Before these applications, these solutions was DevConnect applications, and our partners before was looking for so many so many supplies for these applications, but today all these applications which we are going to discuss under Centrum application will be under Avaya, and you can buy these solutions through our distributions. Okay. Our agenda today, we will go through a small overview about the IB Office to give you just an overview about the IB Office and the contact center overview under the IB Office, very small and short. So after that, we will jump to the new Centrum applications. We have around 11 plus Centrum applications. Through every application, we will talk about the overview about that application. We will talk about the capabilities related to that application. We will talk about the features and functionality. We will talk about the benefits for you as a partner, for the customer. We will talk about the technical specification, what's the requirement, what's the prerequisite in terms of license, in terms of servers, in terms of environment. And so we will also talk about how we collect the requirements. So some of these applications need like a questionnaire. We will talk about the questionnaire, how to understand the questionnaire. And during this training, we need all of you to be ready and understand this questionnaire. So if he meet the customer, anyone will meet the customer, he can share these questions and get the answers and share this questionnaire with Avaya team to give you the right solution. Also, we will go through the scope of work, how the scope of work from Avaya responsibilities. Let me mute this one. Please mute yourself. Voila. Please mute yourself, anyone. Okay. So we will talk about the scope of work for this specific application. We will go through what Avaya going to do in terms of implementation, what's the partner part, what's the customer part, because today Avaya Centrum application will be implemented and installed by Avaya team themselves. The project will be managed by Avaya. So you are only as a partner, you will add your margin and sell to the customer. But at the end, who will install this, who will configure this application, it will be part of Avaya team, okay? And you will be with Avaya as managing the project only. And we will talk about the pricing for every single application, for every Centrum application. I will share with you the price, how the price structure. At the end, we will show for you a live demo for every application. We have two kinds of demo. We have recording files. We already did a demo and record the sessions of demo, and we have the files of that demo. If you can see my yes, if you can see my desktop, I'm going to share with you at the end of this session all the data, the brochures for every application, for every Centrum application. I will share with you the data sheet. I will share with you the product overview, which will give you an overview about every Centrum application, like the call reporting, the appointment, the CRM integration, the social media. I will share with you the files, the questionnaire files, which is requirement gathering for every single application, and I will share with you the scope of work for every application, so you can use these files with your customers when you sell this product. Also, I'm going to share with you the demo, the files of the demo. These are recording files which will give you a demo, live demo for every single application. So you can go to your customer, open this file, and let him to see the demo live. Okay. Then, before we start the Avaya Centrum application solutions, let me give you an overview about the IB Office today and the capability. Today, IB Office, we can sell the IB Office as a CAPEX or WebEx. We can sell it as a one-time payment, or we can sell the... One second, please. We can sell today the IB Office as a one payment time, or we can sell the IB Office as a subscription module. Okay, today IB Office, we have under the IB Office 5 editions, starting from standard, basic, and essential, preferred, server, select edition. But at the end, we can reach up to 3,000 users under one IB Office, under one server. We can connect up to 150 sites together under one centralized management and centralized license. We can reach up to 1,000 plus SEPT rank. The IB Office today is hybrid solution which can support digital analog IB, SEP mix, Avaya phones and non-Avaya phones. Today with IB Office we can reach up to 500 voicemail ports, and there is a built-in recording on the same server. Today with IB Office we can reach up to coming built in up to 512 conference. Every single extension in IB Office can do conference call up to 64. Today we have two kinds of contact center with IB Office, basic and advanced. We will talk about them. Today, IB Office support the artificial intelligence, support the chat, support the voice, the video. We have a video functionality inside IB Office, point to point, or by adding the Iconics and the SMB license, we can reach to multi-point. We have a built-in mobility soft phone, Avaya Iconics application. Today, IB Office support the SDK deployment kit, and today the IB Office support multi-channel. We have a lot of devices with IB Office, contact center, video conference, and cloud. Today also, plus on top of that, we can integrate our IB Office with the third-party desktop application. So today, if any of our customers has these applications like Google applications, Office 364, Microsoft Link, Microsoft Outlook, he can still use these applications as Avaya extensions. We have a plugin to these applications to make these applications to work as IB Office extensions. Also today, IB Office support multi-site and centralized management and high availability. And the high availability, it can be between two servers or virtual machine or cloud to cloud or any storage. Okay, today Avaya work only with one application. This application as a soft phone, as a mobility, as a UC functionality features. By this application, you can do your audio call, video call, you can check your calendar, you can make chat. The name of this application is Iconics or Avaya IX Workspace. This application can today work with IB Office or Aura. You can install it with any of your mobiles or laptop. The license required for this soft phone, it is power user. It's no matter it's Android or iOS or laptop or Windows. Any of these, you can install the same application with one license, only the power user. And we have, if we have the server edition or select edition, we don't want any extra servers. We can use the same server to run this application. But in terms of preferred edition, we need at least the UC card, or we need the application server. By the same application, the Avaya Iconics, we can do point-to-point free calls, video. Also, we can do a multi-point video conference by adding the Scopia servers with IB Office. So with the same application, we can use it for extension, and we can use the same application, Avaya Iconics application, the mobile application or PC application. We can use it for point-to-point video call or multi-conference video call, chatting, chat presentation. We don't need to use different applications, one for video conference and one for normal call. It's the same application. Okay, as well as we can integrate this application with today third-party desktop application like Google application, Office, Google Chrome, Salesforce. And from this desktop application, we still can receive calls. We can still make calls through the IB Office. We can still see our instant messaging, change our presence, do click to call, and make directory integration. Okay. Also, regarding the deployment, today Avaya not asking you as a partner to only buy Avaya servers. You can use your own server, you can use the customer servers, or you can use the virtual machine or any storage. If you have storage on cloud, on Amazon, on Microsoft Azure, you can use that storage and to install IB Office. The only module which mandatory required if the solution is hybrid. In that case, you should buy the Avaya IB Office 500 gateway, which is mandatory to connect anything not IB, like analog trunk or digital extension or analog extensions. But if the solution is fully IB, you don't want to buy from Avaya any kind of servers or virtual machine. You can use your own server, your own virtual machine, your own storage on cloud. You can put and install the ISO image, the software on any of your storage. Okay, that's the kind of deployment today. In terms of security, Avaya today can sell you the Avaya Session Border Controller, which can be used for two major features. First of all, you can use the Avaya Session Border Controller to secure the SIP trunk. The second, you can use it as a secure remote endpoints, as a VPN-less, okay? And finally, in this overview, in IB Office, we have two kinds of contact center. We have the Avaya call reporting, which is the basic CC, and we have the Avaya Contact Center Select, which is the Advanced Contact Center Select. What's the difference between them? In Avaya Advanced UC, which is the Avaya Contact Center Select, we have the outbound campaign, we have full multi-channel chat, email, SMS, fax, social media. We have the high availability, active. We have advanced IVR, which is Avaya Aura Experience Portal. We have WFO. This, which is not available today in the basic CC, which Avaya call reporting. But the other features like the reporting, the real-time, the dashboard, the voice recording, the scale-based routing, it's available in Avaya Contact Center Select and Avaya ACR. But when the customer asks for high availability, for the advanced IVR, for outbound campaign, for full multi-channel, and for the WFO workspace, only we can sell the Advanced Contact Center Select ACCS. Okay. Plus, on top of that, today with Avaya ACR, with Avaya basic call reporting, we have built-in billing and accounting, and we have built-in queue call back, and as well as we have multi-channel only web. Plus, on top of that, we have the nice report, which is cradle to grave reports. We can do another sessions for the basic CCR. Okay. For the Avaya Advanced Contact Center, we have we can reach up to 400 agent and 80 supervisor, while in Avaya's call reporting, the basic ACR, we can reach up to 3,000 users, depend on the IB Office users. In Avaya Advanced CC, we have routing and scales, we have outbound campaign, we have advanced IVR, Avaya Aura Experience Portal, we have reporting, we have advanced recording, which is WFO, we have the basic recording, which the Avaya IB Office Media Manager, we have the high availability, we have blended multi-channel voice, email, chat, SMS, fax, social media, and we have the outbound campaign. This was an overview about the IB Office, just to let you know that we still have the powerful product, the powerful telephony system, the powerful UC solution, the powerful contact center solutions, the powerful video conference solutions, the powerful hybrid solutions for our SMB and mid-market customers. But still today our partner, they are selling dial tone. Still our partner today, they are going to the customer only selling telephony system. Still our partner, they are not discussing with customer other solutions. But today Avaya came with complementary solutions, with other solutions under Centrum applications. These solutions like social media, chatbot, we will talk about them. This will increase the Avaya partner margin, because today the competition in terms of selling dial tone telephony system is very high, the margin is low, and as well as the revenue always is less. Also, the relationship between the partner and customer, it's not that long, because today once you deliver the telephony system, the dial tone, your relation with your customer maybe end. The customer, he can go to another partner to finish your job. But with Avaya complementary solutions today, you have the long relationship with customer. You can make more margin. The competition will be small, because today not all the partners can compete you in these solutions. We will talk about them today, as well as with these Centrum applications. You can go and to multiple customer, to different customer, to different segmentation. With every segmentation, you can talk about these solutions. You can go to the hotels and you have different kind of conversation. You can go to the insurance company. You can go to the whole resale. You can go to the private sector. Then you can sell these solutions, depend on the industry, depend on the vertical. You can position these solutions around the IB office. So by these applications, Avaya will allow you, the Avaya will enable you to sell more, to upsell more, to make more margin, to avoid the competition, to teach the customer, because today this will open for you a new window. Today with IP telephony, you cannot open new discussion with customer, but with these applications today, you can go to the customer and say, hi, Mr. Customer, I can see you are using the social media to communicate with your customer. I can see you are a database. I can see you have, for example, customers, you have a new applications, you have a new products, you would like to make announcement marketing for them. Also, you can discuss with customers about the survey, about the voice of the customer. So many discussions, we will talk about them. Today, as I said, the channel challenge is the partner challenge. Today, most of the challenge with you as a partner, when you're selling only dial tone, that will make low margin for you, the competition on price and the relationship. But today, most of our customers looking for the productivity, for the cloud modules, for the speed to the market, for the customer survey, for scale and growth. That's what we can deliver on Avaya Centrum application. Let me take you through the Avaya Centrum applications, which around 11 plus application, starting from the call billing. This is number one. Number two, the Avaya appointment schedule, which we can sell it for any company, for any customer who wants to do appointment schedule for his customers. Number three, the SMS module, which can be used for sending announcement, for collection, for campaign, for anything. The number four is customer survey. We can sell this to the customer who's looking to get survey from the customer, to listen to his customer, to enhance his contact center or enhance his services. Number five is the chatbot, social media chatbot, which we can use it as a virtual agent. This virtual agent can reply to all of the questions and answers, and as well as we can use the chatbot to do some transactions. We will talk about that. The application number 6 is the callback manager. The callback manager, which can be used to recall the missed calls, recall the calls which come after the working hours. This callback will help the companies, will help the customer so they cannot miss any call. Application number 7, which is fleet management and bus tracking, which we can use it for any delivery company, like a restaurant, like for example, a hospital tracking company for the car, or for the school to track the bus school. We can use this application. Also, the social media connector, which we can use it for any company dealing with his customer through the social media. So we can collect all the comments, all the feedback from the social media and send them to the agent, and we will allow through this application the agent to interact, to direct messaging with customers who is sitting on social media. We will make the agent interface is very simple. The agent not required to go to the social media. They will use Avaya application social media connector to chat with customer who is sitting on the social media. And also we have the CRM connector, which can be used to integrate with any database. Today, most of our customer, they have database, they have SAP, they have Oracle, they have development database, they have Microsoft CRM database. So we can integrate between this CRM and our IB office, our contact center, so with pop-up screen. So if any customer call the telephony system, or call the agent, call the contact center, we can send pop-up screen, so the agent can know all the details about this customer from the database before answering the call. And the case management, which is the ticketing system solution, we can sell this system to any company looking for a new ticketing system, new mini CRM. And final one, the customer engagement portal. This is like a web portal which we can put all these applications under one portal. The name of this portal is customer engagement portal. So in this customer engagement portal, we can put all these applications together, so the agent will deal only in one portal. He can deal with all this application, which social media, chatbot, customer survey, SMS, callback, under one portal. The name of this portal or web portal is customer engagement portal. Then just to check with you if you're still there before go and talk about every one of these. As I told you, for every Centrum application, I will talk about the overview. I will talk about the scope of work. I will talk about the questionnaire. I will talk about the technical requirement and specification. I will talk about the pricing structure. I will give you demo for this module. Every module, we will give you all these informations. Just to know you are still there, if you have any question, or we can continue.
Continue.
Okay, then if there is no question, we will go through of them one by one. Okay. Can you see the presentation?
Yes, we can, Hamza.
Okay. First of all, we will talk about the call billing. Today, most of you, I know you are dealing with different provider, different supplier for the call billing, especially in Saudi Arabia. But today, you can go to the customer and say, yes, we have Avaya product call billing. It's not third party, it's Avaya product, and Avaya going to implement it for you. The call billing will provide you overview, analysis, reporting for all capabilities, all your telephony activities. It will give you the cost. It will track your calls. Even it will give you alerts if anyone reached to the budget. This application can administer a wide range of functionalities like cost control, effective management of your telephony system. It's not only reporting system. It's not only just will give you a reports about the cost. No, it is also tracking. This call billing, it will track your emergency calls. It will track your trunks. It will give you analysis about the using of your trunks. It will also be updated with ISP traffic, as well as it will send you alerts about if any employee reach his budget. You can, for example, customize the budget for every employee. For example, I will give Hamza this month he can call mobile phones up to 1000 Riyal Saudi. Then if he reached to 1000 Riyal Saudi, the system will start send alerts to him. You reach to your budgetary, these alerts will go to the management that Hamza, he already reached to his budget. He finished the 1000 Riyal Saudi calling outside. Also, this call billing depend on the account authorization codes, and it will track everything in the IB office. Even it will give you reports about what happened after the working hours. If some people is using the IB office, using the telephony system to call outside company, to call after working hours, it will give you alerts and notification. It's user web interface. It's just web interface. It's come with full reporting and dashboard, and you can report this. You can print this report, export them. You can send them by email, automatic, daily, weekly, and print them to any printer. Okay. Then we are talking about user prefix. We can give user prefix for everyone. It's flexible solutions. It's web-based interface solution. It's extensive dashboard. It's multi-site support. You can use one billing software with multiple sites, multiple IB offices. It will break down your cost. It will give you a full detailed report about your cost. It will send you alerts about everything happening in the telephony system, about the calling. It is multi-traffic support, and also it will track all the calls after hours or within the hour timing hours. So how does the call billing will enhance the business? Yes, it will give you more control and less complexity. It will create cost saving strategy. It will convert the cost into saving. It will achieve optimized performance. So we are talking about the cost reduction, because once the customer know the cost for every call, that will reduce the cost, that will optimize the consumption, that will streamline the operation, and it will enhance the performance. So if you know about every call in the company, so you can enhance the performance. You can guide your employee to not call, to not waste their time by calling outside company, and as well as full reporting. The call billing today can be integrated with Avaya Aura Communication Manager release 5.2 or higher, or it can be integrated with IB Office 500 B2. You can sell the call billing for Aura or IB Office. Okay, just we need a small server around 8 gigabit memory, a hard disk 150, and just minimum for a CPU, and client workstation. We need a printer, and this is the flowchart of for call billing. We don't want anything, just we need small server and the IB office, and we will do the job. It's not that complex solution. Okay, scope of work. Yes, scope of work. I am going to share with you, as I told you, these files, which is the scope of work for every module. If we open, for example, the call billing scope of work, it will explain for you. Before open the file, it will explain for you the scope. It will give you the summary about this solution. It will explain for you the consultation surface. It will give you the project execution process. It will explain for you the project executions process, starting from planning, from software enhancement, from installation, configuration, testing, training, cut over, and completion. It will go through all these project execution process. It will explain every single process, start from planning and until complete the project, as well as it will give you the project stage, the location, the change, any change management process. There is a form for that. There is two forms coming with the scope of work. The first form, it will give you the change management process. So during the project, if the customer need to change some features, to add some features, he has to fill the form and sign and agree by the partner and by Avaya. Maybe there is an extra cost, or maybe Avaya will say, yes, we can do this kind of change free of cost. As well as with this file scope of work, there is form of acceptance. Go ahead. Hello? Someone say something? Okay. Also, there is a form for acceptance. So after finish this implementation, the customer and partner will sign on that acceptance. So we will avoid any problem in the futures. So also, this scope of work will explain for you the prerequisite and system requirements. Prerequisite from a partner, what's the partner responsibilities, what's the customer responsibilities, what's the Avaya responsibilities. So during the project implementation, we will not say, no, this is our job, this is Avaya job, this is customer job. Everything will be in detail in this scope of work. It will give you a brief idea about what the partner responsibilities, what are the customer responsibilities, what are the Avaya responsibilities, what's the prerequisite, what's the system requirement. So everything will be clear. At the end, we will finish the project and we will sign the acceptance. Also, during the scope, this file will explain for you the pricing structure. It will give you what's the license requirement and the cost, what's the professional services and the cost, the support cost, the project management cost, the training cost, and the terms and delivery and payment. So and number 7, the acknowledgement. So during this file will be shared between Avaya to the partner, and partner will share the same file to the customer. So every party, partner, Avaya, customer will know his job, will know what's the prerequisite, his responsibility, will know the structure, the pricing structure. He will know the terms and conditions. He will know the timing, the location. So this scope of work should be signed by the partner and customer and end user at the beginning of the project. So once the signature done for this scope of work, so we can start implement the Centrum application anyone smoothly without any problems, because we will stick to this file. We will follow this file until end of the project, even the timing, even the prerequisites, even the responsibilities, and the project will be success. Without these files, believe me, there is a lot of problems between you and the partner and the customer. Some problems related to the timing. Why delay from Avaya? Why delay from the partner? Some problems will be related to the technical specification, the prerequisite. When you ask the customer, where is for example, why the RAM is not 8 gig, he will say, you are not telling me, but this file will solve all the problems. System requirements, then there will not be a conflict during the project if we as Avaya and you are as a partner and the customer sign this scope of work for any Centrum application. Because we are today talking about customization solution. We are not talking about telephony system, IP office, deliver, connect the trunk, connect the phones, make a greeting message, and that's it. No, we are talking about customization solution. Let me open the file for you. This is the Avaya work, the Avaya scope of work. It will be between Avaya, distributor, partner. It will explain for you everything, overview, summary, call billing solution, for example, a scope of services, consultation services, project execution process. It will give you planning, software, configuration testing, everything. and it will go through what's the documentation will be shared between the Avaya and the partner and the customer, and the location and the project management. What will be what the project management from Avaya will be. What's what the BM Avaya will do. Okay, and the project stage, it will explain for you the location, the change management process. What's the process for that, the acceptance and the user acceptance testing and the standard accepting testing, all of that, and assumption and general project assumption and customer responsibilities, partner responsibilities, Avaya responsibilities, scope of work. It will be here in this part, what going to be delivered, and the prerequisite and system requirement, and even the structure, the pricing structure, which is the license, the professional services, the support, the project management, the travel, the expenses, the training. Everything will be explained in this scope of work. And at the end, there is two forms. The first form is the acknowledge. The second form is change management request. If something required by the customer during the process, which was not agreed before. If something customer asked more, no, we will say, stop, Mr. Customer, you have to sign on this form. So we will see if we can add it for you as a free of charge, or we will cost you an extra charge. We will come back to Avaya. And this is the acceptance letter, which should be signed by all the parties. So this scope of work will keep you, will safe, will avoid any kind of conflict between you as a partner and customer and Avaya. Okay, as well as I'm sharing here with you the pricing structure, which will apply for other Centrum application, the same structure. Always when you see the pricing, you will see the first line, the call reporting. You will see the name of server license or user license, depend. Okay, for example, for call billing, we have 50 up to 50, we have 100, we have 25, we have 500, we have 1000 up to. So what's the pricing structure here? Then the first license, it is the license, the license. Second line, it's the professional services, the cost which you are going to give to Avaya to implement this software for you. And the third line, fourth line, fifth line, it is the support. You can select any one of them. There is 1 year, there is 2 years, there is 3 years, any one of them, only one of them you can select and go ahead. And the last one, it is the Avaya project management for this application. So total of this, it will give you the total cost. This is your cost as a partner. That means this is the cost which you can send the BO direct to the distributor without asking him for what's your cost, master. No need to go to the distributor. Please share with me the pricing for call billing 50. No, this is the price. Only you can come back to the distributor and to the Avaya if there is a competition. Yes, if there is a competition, if there is a budget, if required a discount, depend on the case by case, you can come back to us. Say, Avaya distributor, I need a more discount on the solutions. Maybe the solutions will include Avaya IP Office plus the call billing all in one. Maybe it will be Avaya Aura with call billing. Depend on the discount, you can come back to Avaya. Okay, ask for the discount. But if this price will fly with you, the customer accept this price, go ahead, sell, get the BO. After that, send the BO to the distributor, add only the tax of Saudi Arabia, the VAT. Okay, this is the pricing structure. Okay. Last thing is the demo. As I told you, I see. Then before go to the demo, you can find it in this folder, which I am going to share with you the data sheet for call billing. This is the data sheet which will explain for you all the features overview, and it will give you as well some hints about the diagram, about the license, about the prerequisite. I will share with you this data sheet as well as the product overview. I will share with you the product overview for call reporting. if you open the product overview, it will give you an idea, overview about the call billing. It will show for you some screenshots about the application, the highlights about the features, about the reporting, the dashboard. It will explain for you all the features and benefits of this call billing, and system requirements, plus the presentation. So for every module in Avaya Centrum application, you will have the data sheet. This is number one. You will have the file of product overview. Okay. You will have the file of questionnaire, which you should share with customer to ask him more questions. Maybe the customer will say, yes, your application is okay, but I need 1, 2, 3 extra. You should share with him the questionnaire and the scope of work and the demo file and the presentation. Then with every module, you have like a 6 files: data sheet, product overview, scope of work, questionnaire, demo, and presentation. Okay. Let me open for you the demo. For example, call billing.
Hi there. I'm excited to demo you all about Avaya's call billing software.
Can you see the?
As you see here, Avaya's call billing software is a web-based
screen?
application.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. You cannot listen to the voice.
No, I can't see the screen.
All they have to have is the
Others, you can see the screen, please.
Yes, I'm seeing.
Yes, we can see the screen.
Okay.
Yes, we can see.
See, this file, it is again.
As you see here,
okay.
Avaya's call based application, which
let me open it in a different mode. Okay, see, we did a live demo for our customer, and we record these sessions. So we will share these files with you. For example, here, Avaya team will explain for you all the features of call billing, the application, how to get the report, how to make management, how to change, how to print the report, all the features. It will give you live demo about how to export the report to PDF, to printer, to email, how to control the cost. How to set up the email alerts, the emails about the email alerts, who should receive the emails, and change traffic, users, how to create users, the codes, dashboard, reporting, all of that. It's with voice, but you cannot hear the voice because it's through the video conference. But once I share with you the file, once you open this file, you will listen to someone from Avaya team will explain for you the whole demo of Avaya call billing. You can open this file to the customer or send them the file. He can see the full live demo about the call billing. Also, I would like you to know that if the customer asks for another live demo, you can send us email. We can set up a call and do another live demo with questions. But this file these files of demo of recording session will help you to start the conversation with customer. Today, why this session? Why I did this session for you? Today you can, as most of you can send email to Avaya, give me the quotation, give me the presentation. I need to set up a call with customer to discuss the questionnaire. I need to make live demo presentation with customer. Yes, but Saudi market is big, and your partners is, we have a lot of partners in Saudi Arabia. So we need to enable you so you can go and make the call first call with customer, make the presentation to your customer, collect the requirement, send them the demo, make with them this demo, explain for him about these applications, share with him the price. Do your job at the beginning. You have all the files, you have all my support, and come back to me, come back to Avaya team, to distributor if you need more support like discount, if you need customer need to see someone from Avaya, customer need to see live demo, not this file demo, customer need more discussions. If something, any of this, you can come back to us, okay? But I need you after this training to use all these resources and go ahead to your customers, start talk about this application. And no need, don't wait to the customer to ask you for this application. Just tell him about this application. For example, if you are selling IP Office, tell him about the call billing. Add the call billing as optional in every quotation, and let the customer to ask you, let the customer to ask you, what's that? Why you add it? What's the features? Maybe the customer will say, okay, we will take the call billing. But believe me, try to add the call billing in every quotation as optional, only optional. Don't include the price of call billing at the total, so the cost will be high. No, make it as optional. So the customer will ask about it, explain it for him. Maybe that will increase your revenue. Believe me. Okay. Any question about the call billing before go and jump to the SMS? Go ahead. Someone say he has a question. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Hamza.
Okay. Yeah.
Mr. Hamza, this is Aman. Yeah.
Aman.
Actually, we are hearing your presentation, just you reading, but we want to see how it's work real. Okay. Still, we did not know how to download from where the software and how can we install and try on our office demo. Then we can go for customer. If
Yes,
you don't know,
Aman, as I said, today Avaya Centrum application managed, installed, implement fully from Avaya. You are as a customer, you don't have anything to do. Just go to the customer, share the presentation, share the quotation, discuss with him the questionnaire, show him the live demo, sell him, send the quotation. That's it. Once you got the BO, come to us. We will do our
PO.
Okay.
This is the hardest part. Get the PO.
For 1 year, I think from today, after 1 year, maybe Avaya will start doing training for the partners to implement. But as per today, our job to do everything. Your job only to make margin. That's it. Make margin as a partner. This is a new Centrum application channel to increase your revenue as a partner without doing anything.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hamza, there are some questions in the chat box.
About server requirement, can server like Dell R2? Yes, 100%. It can be work. Okay. You can add, for example, if the customer buy from you 3 applications, 4 applications, 6 applications, you can bring only one server for all of them. Okay, but you have to manage the size of memory, the size, the CPU, the hard disk. That's it. But it's not mandatory to bring every server for every application. You can manage one virtual machine for all of them, or one server for all of them. Okay, just it's term of is the call billing for the cloud-based and on-premise? See, the call billing, we can install it anywhere. We can install it, for example, in storage in the cloud, for example, Avaya Azure, Microsoft Azure, Amazon, or it can be installed on. It's up to you. It's not Avaya call. It's up to you or customer call, because this should be handled by the customer. Ask the customer. We have the call billing where you want to install this, but we don't have a cloud for call billing in our cloud. The second question: can we do a hybrid system, cloud on-prem? Yes, 100% we can do that. Today we can install some of our systems in the cloud, for example, Microsoft Azure or Amazon, and other parts we can install it. I will give you an example. You can install the Surfer Edition on the cloud, but the IP Office 500 v2, the gateway, it will be on your site because it will connect the analog trunk, analog extension, digital extension. This is kind of mix. Okay. Can we call control traffic? Can we call control traffic? Yes, we can control the traffic. Yes. Avaya call billing installation training will be remotely only. Yes, Avaya Centrum application, all of them, the installation will be remotely. Who will be responsible in the site? The partner. The partner will go to the site. He will open for Avaya the servers. He will be in touch with Avaya project management in terms of implementation. The partner will be on the site. The Avaya will be remotely to install this application. So as I said, you as a partner, you have to add, to put your margin on implementation and margin on product and license, because you will do your job at the site. But who will configure the system? Who will do the customization? Who will make all the configuration with IP Office and with the Centrum application? Both is Avaya guy. Okay. Any questions before go to the? I will share all the presentation, data sheet, product overview. I will share the scope of work. I will share the questionnaire with all of you. Don't after this call, okay? Avaya call billing support missed calls for internal calls and yes, it's full reporting. You can use the Avaya call billing as a normal reporting. If you don't want the cost, remove them. You can use at a full reporting system. You can customize full reporting system. Okay. Then let me go to the second module, which is the SMS. Okay. Today the SMS solutions, which can be used for multiple purposes.
Hello.
Go ahead. Who said hello? Go ahead.
Hello. I have a question, please.
Okay.
Sorry for the call billing. Somehow in hospitalities, can we apply this call billing for guests and for the back offices, or only one of them, or do I need 2 licenses for this?
See, it's up to you. We have the call billing software installed in Surfer. You would like to connect it to one IP office, to multiple IP office, multiple size. It's up to you.
What about licensing? Licensing, one license?
See, the call billing depends on the number of users. How many number of users extensions do you have? You have 10, 20, then that's the case. It's very simple. It's depend on the extension. Do you got the point? Muhammad? Okay. Then let's go to the SMS module. Today, SMS application from Avaya, it is the same application of call billing. We should install it in a separate server. I will give you the prerequisite. This application, this is just application. We are not talking about the gateway. We'll talk about that. This is application, software. It will be installed on a specific server. This application, it's web-based application, web-based, with ability to send individual message or bulk message. This is the main purpose, to send message. Send message for what? This is the customer call. This is the customer decision. Then the SMS, it is essential for business to connect with customer, increase the awareness and lead sales. For example, some of your customer will say, I need to send SMS after every call to say, hi customer, thank you for calling us, and please click on this link to answer the survey. For example, some of your customer will say, I have a collection department. I have some customer with overdue. They are not paying. I want to send them a reminder every month. Then depend on my customers. I want to integrate this your SMS application with collection department. So automatic, the SMS will send automatic message to the customer before the overdue. For example, like Abdulatif Jamil, you will get a message, this is a reminder to pay the installment for your car, like a reminder for payment, for collection, for anything. Or you can use this application to send a marketing message for millions of customers to say, hi, Mr. Customer, our new car arrived, or our new doctor arrived, or our new product arrived, like a marketing. You can do SMS. Or what you can do, you can connect this SMS application with ticketing system. If the customer open a ticket and this ticket already solved or done, you can send SMS automatic, integrate with a ticketing, Mr. Customer, your ticket done. Or if the customer open new ticket, you can send SMS to the customer, your ticket is open. It is just to send SMS depend on the function, depend the customer where he wants to use this application. This is the SMS. Then we can integrate with this SMS with customer CRM. It's come with full reporting about how many number of SMS we send, who opened the SMS, like that. And we can use the SMS to connect it with the survey. You can send it with survey. Okay. Then we can connect this SMS application with Excel file, with database, with CRM, anything. Okay. We can send one message or bulk of message, as well as we can integrate this SMS with third-party applications and databases, anything. Just we need to ask the customer these questions: where you would like to use the SMS? If you would like to integrate this SMS with your database, what's the kind of your database? What's the version of your database? Then we have an open application, customizable. It's not just we will tell we have SMS we can send. No, it's open and customized. You have to sit with your customer, ask your customer when he want and where and how he want to use this SMS. SMS, he want to send SMS for what? You have to ask him. And it is personalization and scale, and the interface, it's very easy managed. We can as well as open an interface for agent to send individual SMS. We can open the SMS application to the supervisor to send SMS. Then how does the SMS module will enhance your business? You can go to the customer and say, Master Customer, if you would like the fast and effective communication platform, it is SMS. Because SMS, you can send it to millions of customers in one click or in 1 minute. But if you would like to do another marketing, the fast marketing tool, it's the SMS, believe me. Yes, there is a social media, but not every time. But SMS, you can reach to every customer on time. You can deliver your message anytime to any customer. Also, as well as it's cost effective. Yani instead of do investment in social media, go to the advertisement companies, pay for them to do advertisement for you, just send SMS and you save your cost. You can also build brand reputation. Why I am saying that? For example, in the hospital, if the patient book an appointment in the hospital and he got a message that his appointment is done, and he got another message for reminder, and he got another message after he leave the hospital asking him thank you and this is the survey, then the customer or the patient will feel happy because he is updated on every transaction happening with this company. The payment, visiting, that means your brand as a customer, as a company will be strong, and you will build your brand with your customer. Every customer will talk about your brand. Okay. Also, it will enhance the customer experience. It will build loyal customers because they will know they will get a message for every transaction. They will get a message for reminder. That will build the loyal customer. It will expand your customer base. Today, if you want to reach to millions of customers, the fast way to reach to them by using the SMS tool. Okay, you will increase the productivity. What I mean by increase the productivity, today, instead of doing calls, go to multiple channels, by sending SMS to all the customers for the survey, for the collection, for the marketing. So see how many transactions we do. We do marketing, we do collection, we do survey, we do reminder, we do appointment by SMS. That means the productivity or your company, the productivity or your marketing, the productivity or your transactions, process, operation, it will improve that, and it will save your time. And you can use the SMS anytime. It's not related to specific time. That's the benefits of SMS. Then SMS application, we can integrate it with Aura or with IBOFfice. You can, as a partner, sell the SMS solutions with IBOFfice or with Aura. Okay, we need the SMS gateway. Ask the customer to provide number one SMS gateway. It's available everywhere. SMS gateway, just the gateway. Okay, I am not talking about the server, the application, that's our side. SMS gateway, ask about it. I will share with you the details. What's the meaning of SMS gateway? It's the hardware, okay, from the market. And the API access to be provided by the customer. API access, that's the access for, the customer, he should buy a bulk of message also from STC, Zen, from the provider. Then this requirement from the customer, SMS gateway, API, the bulk of the customer, as well as we need small server around, I will share the prerequisite of that server with you. This is the flowchart for the SMS. You can share this flowchart with customer. There is a file, I will share it with you. It's the requirement gathering. You should send this file to the, let me open that file for you. You will understand what I mean. If we open the SMS gathering questionnaire for SMS, this is the one, SMS content. This file, first of all, every questionnaire file from Avaya, we did that. First of all, we explain for you what's the meaning by SMS. We give you an overview about the SMS. So this file will not only ask the customer questionnaire, because sometimes when you send the questionnaire to the customer asking questions, he will be confused. What that mean? What that? But first of all, we explain for him what's the SMS connector, what's the capabilities, what's the features. So the customer will like, oh, and this will generate more questions. When you see features, when you see capabilities, more questions will come. So the customer will see all the features, the solutions about what we can do in SMS, and some of screenshot. So after that, we will ask the customer many questions. For example, of this questions, if you would like to integrate with your CRM, what's the CRM today you have? It's Microsoft or host another CRM. It's Oracle, SAP. What's the version of your CRM? For example, where you would like to integrate this SMS, how you want to use this MS, what's the feature, what's the scope of work? We should ask the customer about these questions, because SMS, it's more customizable. It's not just selling phone and that's it, not ask, but you should to ask the customer where you want to use the SMS, which application you want to integrate SMS with your application. Do you want to integrate it with your, for example, customer survey, ticketing solution, CRM? You want to use it after call? You want to use it? So many questions. Then share this file with the customer, and the same file will share the system requirements as well as so the customer will understand the solution, will answer the questions, and as well as he will know the system requirement. Let me bring the charger, because the laptop battery is low. 1 second. Okay, let's to continue. Okay, this is the requirement gathering. As I told you, I will share all these files with you. You can use this file scope of work to collect the requirement. It's not charging it. Okay, not now charging. Okay. Scope of work, the same file of scope of work which I explained in billing software, the same will apply here. During this scope of work file, we will explain, we will give more details about the responsibilities of you as a partner, of a customer, of Avaya, the project stage planning, what we are going to do in planning, what we are doing in software, in installation, in configuration. Okay, in testing, in training, in cut over, as well as the prerequisite, the pricing structure. Also, there is a two form for change management process, the acceptance. The scope of work also, you have to go through it as a partner, share and discuss this file with customer. This is the scope of work. This is the prerequisite. Every part as a customer, as a partner, as Avaya should understand his responsibilities, his part of job. Okay, this will avoid any conflict in the future, especially in the time of execution, because most of the conflict come on the execution. But if everything is agreed between all the parties, we know the responsibilities, we know the system requirement, we know the prerequisite, we know the project timing for every stage, how much we will spend for planning, how much time we will spend for software development. Go ahead.
Sorry to interrupt. I think there is an issue with the live presentation. We several of us cannot see it. Can you reshare it again?
Okay, I will stop the share. Sorry. Oh. يعني من متى والشيرنج مش مفتوح؟ ما حد كلمني. يا شباب لو سمحتوا ركزوا معي، اذا في البرزنتيشن مش شيرنج كلموني. تمام. لسه معي الحاضرين معي ولا لسه؟ ولا خلاص تاهوا؟ لانه احنا بفرشوال، مش كل واحد مش عارف، ممكن مشغول باللي جنبه. معي؟ حد يرد علي؟
معاك، انا معاك.
نحن حابين نشوف يعني we would like to see يعني.
معك.
يلا تمام. طيب بس
you can open your camera, no problem. We can see you. We'll be happy to see you.
تمام. بس اقصد انه البرزنتيشن من اول هي مش ظاهر وما حدا كلمني الا بالنهايه، معناته يا انه انتوا
No, it was on حمزه. It was on.
It was on.
It was
good.
on the presentation.
طيب.
Only now when you go to bring your charger it was not on.
اوكي يلا ممكن التشارجر هذا طفاه. طيب going back to the presentation, as I told you, the scope of work is very important. So in the time of implementation of execution of the project, there is we will avoid any kind of conflict. Customer will say, no, that's your responsibility. Avaya will say, no, partner, that's your responsibility. Where is the server? Why you bring server 8? I told you to bring the server of the memory. The hard disk is 150. Why it's 100? See, kind of conflict should be there if we don't have this scope of work for every single Centrum application. Okay, this is very important file we should share, like other files with the questionnaire as well. Okay, the pricing structure for SMS, it's just it's not per user, it's just one license server. It's the SMS license server, and this is the line number 1, it's the license. Line number 2, it is the professional services, so Avaya will do the implementation. Line number 3, see, it's depend on customization. Sometimes if the requirement is very small, we can go less than this price. Okay, but if the customer asks to integrate SMS with ticketing, with CRM, with survey, after call, so many applications, so in that case, this cost will be cheap. But if we come to the customer only, he wants to send SMS thank you after every call. That's very easy. It will not cost you this much of, but this price which cover all the kind of integration. So this is the top price of integration. Then line number 1 is
Excuse
the
me, Hamza.
Go ahead.
I believe we can see only your browser. بنشوف بس البراوزر تبعك مش شايفين الفايل.
ممكن حد ثاني يقول لي لحظة عمل ستوب مرة ثانية.
No, I was seeing the pricing table.
The pricing sheet. I am sharing the pricing sheet. Can you see it? اللي مش شايف البرايسنج شيت يقول أنا مش شايف.
I will write it on the chat.
كلنا أنا شايف البرايسنج شيت.
طيب غريب. من اللي مش شايف البرايسنج فقط اللي يتكلم؟ ما دام ما حد تكلم معناته الكل شايف البرايسنج شيت. اوكي؟ طيب ارجع. الاس ام اس من اجل نبيعها to sell the SMS application. The line number 1, the server. We should sell the server license, not the server. Sorry, the server license. The license. The line number 2 is the professional services, the implementation. This cost, it is the cost for Avaya to do the customization, to do the integration, to do the implementation. You as a part, just you will take the margin. That's it. Okay. And the line number 3, 4, 5, it's the support. Ask the customer he wants support for 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. Okay. And the last line, which is the project management. Project management, that means someone from Avaya as a project manager will handle all the kind of discussions between you as a partner, between the disty, between the customer. He will manage the discussion. He will build for you the scope of work. This guy, he will be the first point of contact if there is a conflict, because he is the project management. He is the project manager. He will ensure that from the project stage, planning, development, software installation, testing, training, he will ensure these stages finished, complete, smoothly without any problem. He will ensure all the prerequisites. He will ensure your responsibilities done, customer responsibilities done, the prerequisite. He will ensure that the developer, the programmer, doing his job well. He will ensure the acceptance is done, the project is done. Okay, that for that you can see a cost for, it's small cost, but at the end someone from Avaya will start communicate with you as a partner. Hi, master partner, I am the project management manager for this project. Let's start talking with customer. The project management will be assigned after the BO only. Okay, after you send the BO to the distributor, someone from Avaya will start communicate with you. Don't surprise. If someone come to you, I am the project manager for the SMS solution for your customer XYZ for that. Start engage with him, share with him all the documents. He will ensure that everything is correct before do the implementation, because project management will come before the programmer. He will ensure everything is ready, so he will assign the programmer or the technical or the engineer to start doing the implementation for this module, SMS or other. Okay. The last part of SMS, it's the demo. Let me show for you the SMS customer SMS connector. Okay, can you see the SMS connector? In this file, the Avaya